Hello, welcome. Today we have another video, and this one is a how-to video. Very interested, highly requested again. And it's actually a how-to microwave your pet bear. Yep, so if I take you to the microwave, this is a new microwave, so really it's another microwave tour. Okay, we have to be a bit quiet because we're near the door. I don't want to be judged. No one's around, it's okay. So this is my microwave. How do I turn it around? Oh, is that a thing? Oh, I think I'm taking pictures of myself. Actually, okay, we'll have to turn around. This is my microwave, a little bit different from the other one. As you can tell, this one has little twisty things. It's not got a very technical name, has it? A button, a revolving, I have no idea. It has one for the time and for the power. It also opens just as so. Mine's not as gross as the other one, okay? There's nothing gross on the inside. That's condensation. Okay. Oh, someone coming. So this is the bear, right? Sorry, there was someone there. Yes, this is the bear. His name is Bear for the time being. I haven't been creative enough to name him, but it'll just have to do, won't it? So, as you can see, Bear has 2 arms and 2 legs. He also has 2 eyeballs. He's nodding, he agrees, he has 2 eyeballs, 2 ears and a mouth. Now, I'm going to dissect Bear. Hold on. As you can see, oh, dirty dishes. I've taken out his insides. Now, we're going to put them in the microwave. Now, unlike the microwave yesterday, I have absolutely no idea how long this is going to take because it doesn't have seconds, so we just wait.
Inches later, day 2, day 3, day 4, if you...
Oh, he shut off. Don't think that was supposed to happen. Anyway, I think that means he's done. Yes, he's done. We're going to take his insides. Right. I'm going to assemble the bear. Oh, can we do this with one hand? Yes, we can. Oh. Nothing. How do I assemble? Wow, that's so cool. Do you see it? And there you have your own hot bear. You're welcome.